So the quickest way to passive income on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Charles, what is affiliate marketing? Now, some of you might already be familiar with affiliate marketing, and some of the guys that probably bought this course, you have affiliate marketing already set up, and that's great. Good for you. You're ahead of the curve. But this is still going to add value to you. You're still going to be able to gain some knowledge and some helpful tips from this course. So don't give up just yet. Just kind of hang in there and bear with me, but we're going to get through it, no problem. So affiliate marketing. So it kind of works like this. So search traffic, Google, Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, right? So someone types a question into YouTube, what is the best tasting soda? And when they hit enter, you want to position your video where your video is served to them, and then you give a product review or a tutorial, a how-to, stuff like that, and then that leads to income. Now, I'm not talking about YouTube ads. Most people don't even turn on YouTube ads, and you would have to have hundreds of thousands of views to even make YouTube ads work for you. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. So this is how it's going to break down. And you can see right here, here's an example of what I'm talking about wanting to search. This is our video that we did, the best heat gun for cosplay, heat forming EVA foam. So you can actually go to YouTube and type in either one of these headlines and you will see our video pop up. Now I have a bunch of different stats here on the right hand side. This is just a handy little tool that I use called vidIQ. You can actually go to vidIQ.com, download a free version, and you'll be able to see these little things too. But what you want to pay attention to here are these little blue tags. Now what these little blue tags are actually telling us is that this video is actually ranked on YouTube search. So it tells you the tag that it's ranked for, best heat gun for cosplay, heat forming EVA foam, we're #1. So if you type in that exact thing, you hit enter, on the other side of search, you're going to see our video pop up. And this is really important, but we'll get into this in the future. We will offer more training on this type of subject. If you guys want, just reach out to us, shoot us an email, be like, Charles, that was awesome. How do you rank videos? How do you guarantee that you get views 24 hours a day? And we'll just dive into that a little bit more. But for now, for this video, you can see that ranking, you type in a question or a problem, we're ranked, we show up on the other side of search, and we offer a solution. Here's another video, just another one, the best glue for EVA foam cosplays and barge cement review. This is actually two types of videos that we're going to talk about, and you can see here that we have about 12, 13 tags. This is getting 1.2 views an hour. So even while I'm making this course, 1.2 views an hour. One and a half people are coming and they're watching the video every hour. So this is kind of set on autopilot. And what we have here is we have some affiliate links that link to the product review. And so, you know, they can check it out. We check it out in the video here. They click on the link, and if they purchase this product, we make a small commission. So that's, hopefully you're starting to see the bigger picture here, and you're starting to see how you can use the power of video to produce some passive income. So remember, the simplest way, the simple walkthrough is a user searches for a problem or a question. You want your video to show up here, and then you want to give a call to action towards your affiliate links. Now, when you give a call to action towards your affiliate links, you don't want to be like that sleazy used car salesman. You know, I mean, we've all been there. We hate that. You're pressured. I mean, you're stressed out. It's hot. You just want to go home. You definitely don't want to do that. We just want to add value. We really just want to answer someone's questions. We really just want to serve up value to their question, and then you just want to let them know that there's a call to action. So what we like to do is, for the barge cement and for our other videos, if you watch us on YouTube, we'll always say, hey, You know, if you want more information on this product, we've got more information in the description below. Make sure you check out the links. There you can see product reviews, you can see what people are talking about the product, whatever, you know, it's just there at any time during the video. You can go ahead and check those out. And that's really all you have to say. We don't beg people like, man, please buy this product. We're desperate. We really need you to buy some barge cement. Like, people don't like that. You don't like that. Other people don't like that either. So you just kind of want to keep it friendly. You want to keep it casual.